School is approaching fast, and I don't want you to fall behind. But luckily, I have a few tricks up my sleeves that can help you get into the most optimal shape for the new school year. The first thing you need to do is to be prepared mentally. Your mind controls your body here, and if that isn't in the right shape, then you're going to have a hard time adjusting to new routines and classes. That's what holidays are for. It's time to relax and reset your body and your engine. To take the stress off your shoulders. Look back at the previous year and see what improvements you can make. Learn from your failures. Because success isn't about being perfect. It's about learning from your mistakes and making sure that you do learn from them. The next is completing all assigned tasks. If you're like me, then you tend to get a lot of homework from your teachers at school. And the worst kind of homework is the holiday homework. It completely destroys your holidays and you spend hours and hours sitting down at a desk being bored out your brains and don't know what to do. Therefore, what I like to do is to get stuck straight into that homework and hit it out the park as soon as possible. I waste no time getting stuck into this. And if you use the same tactic as me, then it should make your life a lot easier. The third point is to buy all your school equipment in the back to school sales. Now, being organised is the best way to make a first impression to your new teacher. What better way than being organised by bringing all your equipment to the first class or lesson? And that's why there's things like back to school sales, where they have discounts and bargains they can get on everyday stationery. Now, making sure you check your timetable is another important point. Just like the organisation part, it is great to know what you have on the first day and bring all the right equipment, the right books, the right folders, and the right devices. Then you can even go further and beyond and create a detailed schedule on your week and outline major events. And you're in luck because I've already created a video about this on how you can create a schedule that will actually work. I will link a card. Another point is time management. Time management is one of the fundamental skills for reaching success. Making a critical part of the school routine is vitally important. Make sure you've completed all set homework tasks and go to sleep early the night before the first day. Along with this, I'd also suggest setting a bedtime. Now, if you have trouble going to sleep or don't know what time to go to sleep, this suggests a bedtime depending on your wake up time and your sleeping schedules. Now, if you're looking for more videos on how you can become successful in life, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on anything. I hope this video helped, and I will see you next time.
And we're starting right now.